Somehow we take it back, somehow we take it back. But there's yelling all around, now it's time to take it back. Now it's time to wreck it bad, like I got no brain. It appears that I got no brain, got no brain, got no sane. This is not your thing, and I got no shame. Still can't say if I'm yet to be a man, still yet to be the man I envision myself to be. So expect much more, and problems gonna follow. So I'll meet you with the place that the memories make, so we can escape from the pain that we take.